Namaskar, myself Surendra Pratap Singh from India Meteorological Department. I welcome all of you our daily weather briefing program today, the 1st July 2022. Now let's start the presentation. This is the observed weather during past 24 hours. Extremely heavy rain occurred at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh, Gujarat region and Konkan Goa. Heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Punjab, West Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh and coastal Karnataka. And heavy rainfall at isolated places over Andaman Nicobar Islands, Assam, Meghalaya, Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, East UP, हिमाचल प्रदेश, ईस्ट राजस्थान, ईस्ट मध्य प्रदेश, सौराष्ट्र कच्छ, मध्य महाराष्ट्र, छत्तीसगढ़, कोस्टल आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, तमिलनाडु and South Interior Karnataka and Kerala and Mahe. This is the rainfall. Gujarat was received 28 centimeter, Konkan Goa, Mumbai City, Kolaba 23 centimeter, Arunachal Pradesh 22, coastal Karnataka 20 centimeter, South Interior Karnataka 8 centimeter, West Madhya Pradesh 14 centimeter, and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal 20 centimeter, and Haryana, Rohtang 19 centimeter, Safdarjung 12, Lodi Road 11 centimeter, and West Rajasthan 12 centimeter, Kerala maximum was 11 centimeter, and coastal Andhra Pradesh 13 centimeter. Rest of heavy rainfall amount is written there. Here. This is the highlight. Southwest monsoon has further advanced into entire Punjab, Haryana, and more parts of Rajasthan. Today, the conditions are favorable for further advance of monsoon into remaining parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat during next 2-3 days. Hence, southwest monsoon is likely to cover entire country during next 2-3 days. This is the synoptic system. One cyclonic circulation lies over east Rajasthan and neighborhood in mid-tropospheric level. From this, a trough run from this ISA to the West Central Arabian Sea. Offshore trough from South Gujarat to South Maharashtra coast, and trough from east-west trough from West Rajasthan to Northwest Bay Bengal, across South Haryana, South Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand and Gangetic West Bengal at mean sea level. This is the advanced belt. Here you can see the black color which is covered by monsoon. The remaining white color shows the remaining part of southwest monsoon, which is likely to cover during next 2-3 days. This is the forecast due to the east-west trough and moisture wind from Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea towards northern plains. Fairly widespread to widespread light to moderate rainfall with isolated thunderstorm lightning, very likely over Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh during next 5 days. Fairly widespread light to moderate rain likely over Himachal, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Punjab, Rajasthan during next 24 hours, and thereafter reduce as scattered to fairly widespread activity. With this, isolated heavy rain very likely over West Rajasthan, 1st and 2nd, East Rajasthan 1st, 2nd and 4th, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Rajasthan on 1st, Himachal Pradesh on 1st and 5th, Uttarakhand and East Uttar Pradesh during 2nd and 5th, and over West Uttar Pradesh on 5th July. With this, isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall also likely over Rajasthan on 1st and Uttarakhand on 1st and 5th July 2022. And scattered to fairly widespread rainfall with isolated thunderstorm lightning very likely over Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Vidarbha during next 5 days. With this, isolated heavy rainfall likely over East MP and Chhattisgarh during next 5 days, over West MP on 1st, 2nd and 5th. With this, isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall also likely over West Madhya Pradesh during next 24 hours. And fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with thunderstorm lightning likely over East, continue over Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, GWB during next 4-5 days, and heavy rain at isolated places likely over Odisha during next 5 days, on Bihar 1st, 2nd, 5th, Jharkhand on 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 5th, and Gangetic West Bengal on 1st July. With this, isolated heavy to very heavy rain also likely over Odisha on 4th July. Under the influence of offshore trough at mean sea level, South Gujarat and South Maharashtra coast and strong westerly, southwesterly winds along the west coast, widespread light to moderate rainfall very likely over Konkan Goa, coastal Karnataka, Kerala, and scattered to fairly widespread rainfall activity over Gujarat, Madhya Maharashtra and interior Karnataka during next 5 days. With this, isolated heavy rainfall very likely over Gujarat region, Konkan Goa, coastal Karnataka and Kerala Maya during next 5 days, and Madhya Maharashtra on 1st, South India Karnataka on 1st, 4th and 5th, Tamil Nadu on 1st, 2nd and 5th. With this isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall also likely over Gujarat region, Konkan Goa on 1st, 2nd and 5th, and coastal Karnataka on 1st and 5th July 2022. Here you can see the graphical form of weather warning. The rainfall activity over the northwest India and central India likely to continue with warning during next 48 hours. Later on, it is likely to reduce on day 3, day 4. On day 5, it is likely to pick up again. And over East India, is rainfall activity likely to continue during next 4-5 days. With this, Northeast India, heavy rainfall likely to during next 3-4 days is likely to continue. You can visit our website mausam.imd.gov.in, as well as you can follow many social media platforms as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, blog. Including this, you can use mobile app for location specific forecast, lightning, and agro advisory services as Mausam app, Damni app, and Meghdut app. Thank you very much all of you for listening me. Namaskar.